Welcome to inSIGHT ATMS training by IBI Group. This video training is designed as a hands-on introduction to inSIGHT ATMS. Users are encouraged to follow along with each step, as it is shown, pausing the video as necessary to try things out. In this video, we will provide you with an introduction to managing work zones and other planned events. For more information, please refer to the inSIGHT ATMS product description document. Our scenario is that there is a work zone planned on Interstate 215 starting at 4 p.m. and running until 9 p.m. To start, we will declare an event by right-clicking the map at the work zone location. Select the route and direction of travel from the pop-up menu, I-215 South, and then select the Planned Event type, which initiates a new event. In the Primary Details Event tab, we will create a linear event by entering an end location that is different from the begin location. We will also indicate that it is a left lane blockage in the impact area at the bottom left of the Primary Details tab. We'll select Roadwork as the cause of this planned event. For this source, let's select TMC staff. As I'm recording this, I'm setting this up to start in a couple of minutes. So I'll set start to 4 p.m. and we'll run until 9 p.m. Let's set the Notify Before field to 0 so that the ATMS will not create a notification until the scheduled start time. And finally, in the Schedule area at the bottom center of the Primary Details tab, we will tell the ATMS to generate an advanced response plan 1 day prior to the start time of the work zone, so we can do some advanced messaging. Click Save, and inSIGHT ATMS saves the event and automatically generates an event response plan. For planned events, the event window includes a Restrictions tab, which can be used to identify speed, width, and other vehicle restrictions. An advanced response is a set of actions the system takes prior to the work zone being activated. In the Advanced Response tab, we want to publish messaging to advise travelers that a work zone will take place starting at 4 p.m. In this scenario, there are no permanent DMS close enough to be included in the response plan. By looking at the map, we can see there is a portable changeable message sign nearby. So, I will select this PCMS and click Add Sign to Plan. Click Create at the top of the sign window to create a message saying, Left lane to close at 4 p.m. And we are required to name the new message before adding it to the plan. Now we can select Accept to accept the plan, and the advanced response message is posted. We can also see that there's an API message. We will go ahead and accept this so that it gets included in the dissemination. We also have to configure Twitter to generate a tweet, which in this case, we will choose to not accept simply by closing the event window without selecting Accept. While the advanced response is active, and before the work zone is started, the calendar icon shown in Event Pin indicates that this is a planned event, something scheduled to take place in the future. To reduce clutter, inSIGHT ATMS does not show all planned events on the map by default. This planned event appears here because we want to make sure that operators are aware that we have an active advanced response plan that has messages posted to changeable message signs. When the work zone start time arrives, inSIGHT will inform operators of the scheduled activation through the notification panel at the top of the user interface. We can also choose to activate the event early when needed. To activate the planned event, select the planned event icon on the map and click Activate from the pop-up menu. The event moves to the active state, as indicated by the updated icon in the event pin. We open the Event Details window by clicking the event pin again and selecting Details. We can also see that the Traffic Notification tool shows a new notification, which is the ATMS telling us we need to review the Active Response tab. As we open the Active Response tab, we review the DMS messaging. We can see that there is a message on the PCMS from the advanced response. Let's take this opportunity to include this message in the active response. except slightly updated by clicking the pencil icon to edit the message to say, left lane closed. Click Update Plan to make the change. Now click Accept on the bottom right of the DMS tab to post messages to a number of other signs that have been recommended by the system. I will also accept this API response to make sure that this information goes out to third parties, such as 511. And I will also accept this tweet and have this event go out to Twitter. When the scheduled work zone end time is reached, inSIGHT ATMS will generate the appropriate notifications to ensure the event is properly closed out. To wrap up our scenario, let's assume that they finished their work early. To manually deactivate the event, we simply open the event window and select Deactivate. Once the event is deactivated, we can go ahead and clear the event because it is complete. This concludes our introduction to the inSIGHT ATMS Work Zone Management. We hope this helps you feel more comfortable with some of the tools and capabilities available to you within the ATMS. For more detailed information, please refer to the inSIGHT ATMS product description document. Thank you for watching.